Today I'm waxing my face. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I upload lifestyle videos here for men and women, and in the past I have removed hair from my moustache, my chin, my neck. I'm not a dude, I'm all female. But I just grow hair in those places kinda a lot. I use the soft sheen kerosene hair removal powder, and I also have a video on using eraser to remove hair from my face. I'll link those videos in the description down below. And today I'll be waxing. I've been waxing for years. I interchange depending on my mood or the time that I have. Waxing can be a little bit time consuming, but the effect lasts longer. This is just a regular sheet. It looks kind of linen like, polyester like. I have two sets of this sheet and I have had it for years now, and I cut it into long rectangular strips. Now this is the wax. Excuse my stove. I work this stove all day long, all week for work. I know it looks terrible, but it is what it is. Don't judge me. And I put the stove on low and just let the wax melt. Now this is like a large jumbo wooden craft stick, and I'm using the stick to test the wax to see if it's ready. It's not ready because the middle is still very firm. I need it to be very fluid. While the wax heats up, I just use cotton and some rubbing alcohol, and I use that to go over my neck section or wherever I am going to wax. If I was going to wax my eyebrows, I would have done the same, but I don't wax my eyebrows, I tweeze those. Now it's ready. I just spin the stick in there until I get the desired amount, and I keep spinning it because you do not want the rocks to drop on the surface of your floor, your stove. People, facial wax is very hard, or hair removal wax is very hard to get out of any form of surface. I'm spinning the stick because I do not want it to drip at all. And also I'm cooling it. Please ensure it's very cool before putting it on your face because you can burn yourself. Also, please do not re-wax the exact same area with this wax. It will tear your skin. I'll show you what you can do in case you didn't get the hair off properly. Now I just put the strip wherever it needs to go, ensuring it covers everything for where I place the wax, and then I just rip. Yeah, I can never get used to waxing my face. It pains every time. Now if I have any residue left over, I use the same piece of wax strip and I would rip it again and take it off. Remember, don't re-wax the same section of your skin with the same wax. You can tear your skin. Now I'm going to go over this process until I have every area that has unwanted hair on my face off. Yep, that's the hair. You don't have to put wax on both ends of the stick. I just like it that way. You could always wipe the stick off on the metal container that the wax comes in when you're taking the wax out of the container. But that's just my style. Never hesitate. Just pull the thing. Don't hesitate like what I just did. As you could see, a little bit of blood is on the cloth because of course you're yanking hair out of your pores. It's gonna bleed 1 and 2 times. It depends on what type of skin you have. When I'm done, I use more rubbing alcohol and cotton to get the residue that's left there on my face. See how smooth it is? It's really smooth right now. Take that same cotton and rubbing alcohol and I clean the floor. Sometimes I do get a little tiny bit on the floor. If it doesn't work with the cotton and rubbing alcohol, I use a knife. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Remember to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could get notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.